Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to start part 2 of chapter 8 Air and Water. In this video, we are going to cover following topics. First, properties of air. Second, air occupies space. Third, air has weight. Fourth, air exerts pressure. The three main properties of air are air occupies space, air has weight, and air exerts pressure. First property is air occupies space. When air is blown in an object, the object increases in its size. For example, when a rubber tube is filled with air, the tube inflates, while if we puncture the tube, due to loss of air, the tube deflates. This shows that air occupies space in the tube. Experiment to show that air occupies space. Material needed: a funnel, an empty bottle, sellotape and water. Steps: put funnel in an empty bottle. Seal it with sellotape. Now pour water into it. Observation: at first, the water does not flow in. After some time, we will see the bubbles in the water inside the funnel, which shows the presence of air in the empty bottle. Experiment 2 is to show that air has weight. Material needed: a stick, 2 balloons and some thread. Steps: first, hang the stick on the hook by tying thread in the center. Second, inflate one balloon and tie the inflated balloon on one end of the scale. On the another end, tie the deflated balloon. Now we will observe that the scale on the inflated balloon side goes down, showing that air has weight. Third is the air exerts pressure. Air exerts pressure on all the things around in all the directions. For example, when a glass filled with water is inverted, tightly holding the cardboard against the rim of the glass, on removing the hand from the cardboard, the water will not fall. This is due to the pressure exerted by air on the cardboard. Experiment 3 is to show that air exerts pressure. Material needed: a small bowl and a balloon. Steps: first, hold the bowl in your hand, put the balloon in it and blow air into it till the balloon fits into the bowl. Take your hands away and leave the bowl. We will observe that we are able to lift the bowl with the balloon. This shows that air exerts pressure. Thank you, students. This is end of part 2. We will continue this chapter in part 3 video. Till then, stay safe and keep learning.